In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show multiple databases in one view in Notion. This is a handy way to keep all your important information easily accessible and visually organized in your workspace. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening Notion on your device. If you're not familiar, Notion is an innovative tool that combines note-taking, task management, and database functionality all in one. So once you've opened Notion, navigate to your dashboard page. If you don't have a dashboard set up yet, this would be a great opportunity to create one. Dashboards serve as a central hub where you can organize your workflow and manage your projects efficiently. Now, in order to display multiple databases on a single page, you'll need to use a feature called the linked view of database. Start by typing "oin," followed by linked view of database. This command essentially allows you to create a new view of an existing database without altering the original one. It's perfect for showcasing relevant data from different databases on the same page. After you've typed that command, you'll be prompted to choose the first database you want to display. When selecting, make sure it's the one that contains the data you frequently access or need to visualize alongside other databases. Once selected, you'll be able to set your desired view. Notion offers various views such as table, board, calendar, and more. So pick the one that best matches how you want to understand and digest your data. With that first database set up, your next step is to repeat the process for your second database. Type or linked view of database again, and choose your next database. As before, select a view that's most functional for your needs, ensuring that it aligns with the type of information you want to track or compare. Once both databases are linked and displayed, you'll likely want to see them side by side for the most efficient comparison. To do this, you can arrange them using columns in Notion. Simply drag one database view to the side of the other until you see a vertical blue line, which indicates where the column will be created. Drop it there, and voila, your databases are now neatly arranged next to each other. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated multiple databases into one view on Notion. This setup will significantly streamline your workflow, allowing you to pull together essential data from various sources with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy Notioning!